Okay, so we are doing this, as many of you may know. We have a lot of imported dogs, and in order to register a litter with an imported dog, they must have DNA on file with AKC. Let me clarify that. In order to register a litter with AKC, you have to have DNA on file, I believe. I don't know for sure. ICCF may just accept a copy of a pedigree, but DNA is required for AKC registration, and that is the registration that we use for our dogs. If you don't know, AKC is accepted worldwide. For the most part, ICCF is not recognized. Anyways, for today's video, we are doing DNA with AKC, and this is an imported dog, which I have already filled out the foreign registration form for, and we already do have a AKC registration number for the dog. So what we're doing now is we have already collected the sample, and should have done that, but we'll make another video of it. There is a good sample collection video. If you go to dna.akc.org, there's a great sample collection video there from a friend of ours, actually, we just saw in the video. So the new process is all barcodes, so it eliminates a lot of paperwork, which is great. But the samples are in here, and there's 2 bristle swabs. You can kind of see if I put them. There's 2 bristle swabs in there. You swab the inside of the cheek of the dog, and then you put them in the package, and then put that package into this envelope. And this is what will get mailed to AKC. You can see there's a barcode here, and there is a barcode here. There's a QR on the paperwork that they send you, so you can pull that up and it'll just pull up instructions for you, so you can do it that way if you choose to do it that way, or you can just simply go to the dna.akc.org. There are a couple videos on there of how to do this as well, but I just thought you can see from, this is our first time with the new system, and you can watch us kind of go through it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go to dna.akc.org, and I am already signed in here. So we're going to click on Activate Kit. And it will automatically populate your information in here. So for me, I'm going to change that because it's still got my maiden name in there. So, all right, so just double check that all of your information is correct on the screen. You can change any of these. So right now I'm going to go to, it says Kit Sample Key. So we're going to click here, and that is right here on the barcode. Sorry, I know that got really close really fast. So we're going to go ahead and input that in there. And then we're going to come down here to the kit activation code, which also is here on your barcode. It's here and here, so you should be able to find that fairly readily. So that's the activation code right there. And go back up here, and we're going to put that in the caps lock. Whether it matters or not, I don't know, but we're just going to go ahead and put it in exactly how it's written in there. And case reference, you'll see that basically that's just if you have an open case, maybe you're trying to parentage verify or something like that, you would have an additional number that you would input into there. But if it's just a straightforward DNA, which is what we are doing today, we're just going to close out of that. Yes, we do have a registration number for this dog, so we're going to click yes here and get this dog's registration number entered. Okay, we have populated our AKC registration number for this dog. Again, this is a foreign registry dog, but we have already received the AKC number on the dog, so we're going to go ahead and enter that and click next. Oh, I did something wrong. Hold on. Please ensure the letters. Okay. Okay, so those are case sensitive. So now, let's go back over here and click next. All right, so your next screen is going to verify the information and then ask you for the dog's microchip or tattoo number. So we're going to go ahead and populate that. If it's an import, you can generally find that on your passport. So your pet passport, and then it will be in here with all of the paperwork, because The legal way to do it is to have the dogs microchipped when they come over. So if your breeder does not have your dogs microchipped, that may be a red flag for you. All right, we have this dog is tattooed as well, but we're just going to go ahead and go with the microchip number. Click next. Again, it's going to populate all of your dog's information along with the microchip number now. Verify your information. If you need to make any changes, go ahead and do that. I do not need to, so we're going to click next. And that's it. The kit is activated. It's ready to go. So now we are just going to go ahead and put this envelope in the mail to AKC, and then we will receive notification once the AKC has processed it. So for registration purposes, you can register the litter once AKC receives the DNA sample. It doesn't have to finish processing. So we'll send this off. It is around the time for the holidays, so I don't know exactly how long it's going to take, but generally it's a week or two before they have that noted in the system, and you can go ahead and add, in our case, this dog as a sire of a litter. And then it's usually about a month before you receive the actual DNA back from them. But again, you can go ahead and register the litter right away as soon as they have on record that they have received the sample and it is in works. So that's it. It's a new process for us, so we just thought we would share it with you. I hope that it helps anybody out. So that's it. And like I said, if you don't want to go through AKC, the dna.akc.org, you can just scan that and it'll take you right there. So follow the directions, which are on the reverse side of this paper, and you'll do great. The next one we have that we send in, that we run DNA, we will make a video of swabbing the inside of the cheeks for you, because it can be a little bit complicated when you get into the bigger dogs with jowly jowls and, you know, the slobber that is contained within there. So, okay, so after you submit everything, you'll get an email that looks like this, just verifying that you have submitted that request online and that your DNA is ready to go. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you like our content, and we'll see you next time.